Hello everyone, and welcome you to my YouTube channel, and feel free to comment down there on your ideas and thoughts. So today I want us to learn this concept on, or this question that we always say, why should I study mathematics? Is mathematics really important to my life? I don't see anything to study mathematics. I don't feel like I don't love mathematics and also those things. So basically we'll be jogging our mind, is the mathematics really important? So perhaps today I come and tell you, my friend, let's study the concept of compound interest or saving or simple interest. Maybe we should start asking me, why should we study this? It's a waste of time. I don't really want to apply that to my real life. Where am I going to apply it? Or so and so on, many questions and many excuses. But did you know that you really need this concept in your real life, or you use it in one way or the another? So perhaps the question can be how. But let's say I want to open a savings account, or I want to save a certain amount of money at a certain period of time, or I'm targeting this amount of time at a certain period of time. Can I have really be having this amount of time at this particular time instead of putting into somewhere that it can be earning me money continuously? So in case I have one person that tells me, bro, assist me with 1000, and each and every year I will be adding you 100. So at each and every year, maybe I have given you 1000 bob, and you're going to give me at a 10% interest rate. So you'll find that at the end of 1 year, you'll give me 1000 plus an addition of another 100. The next year again, you'll give me an addition of 100. So the next year will be 1200. The next year again, 1300. So it will be fixed. It's like it's going on with addition of 100 bob. So after, let's say, a period of 30 years, we'll find that I will have a total amount of 4000. 4000, when you minus that 1000 that I gave you, you shall find that it has already grown with 3000. And then I have this maybe bank account that gives me at a compounded interest of 10% annually. So at the first year, we'll find that I'll get 1100. The next year, we'll have 1100 being the principal amount times 10%, and then it gives me the results. And then after around 30 years, I will have 17,449.40. So when you minus the principal amount, which was 1000, I will have get 16,449.40. So you get that I have already get 13,449.40 more than the person that used this concept of simple interest, that let me give this person, she will give me, or he will give me 100 bob each and every year. So this knowledge actually, it impacts us to our day-to-day life, whereby we are being able to use the correct saving that we can do what, that we can invest in. So when you read mathematics, it's basically try to jog your mind this chapter. What am I really going to get out of this chapter? How am I going to apply this chapter to my real life? Mathematics is sweet. It's everything that you can imagine of. It's help us to solve our day-to-day problems that we usually encounter in our life. So when you see that mathematics teacher entering into your class, don't be that boring. Don't be look at him or her on a certain period of time. And even as teachers, we should try to teach the children in the correct perspective way of understanding the importance of studying this thing and how it is going out to do what, to help them in their real to real life. So if you want to know the concept of how can I calculate the compound interest or simple interest, I have already attached the video that is, I have already shown how to calculate it and how it goes on. Kindly consider subscribing so that you cannot be left out on the videos that I usually post. Thank you.